When super users maintain the data model or the UI configuration, introduced changes to the setup will require a reindex of the Elasticsearch data so that the search index, which is used for faceted search in the web UI and searches in the instrument application, will be aligned with the configuration. It can take days or even weeks to index many millions of objects, obstructing the use of Elasticsearch, and thereby obstructing the optimal use of STEP, which can hurt the business as users are denied the use of the faceted search. To mitigate this latency, Stibo Systems has improved the Elasticsearch index process, which is now able to utilize more system resources within one or more STEP application servers by optimally running multiple background processes in parallel in accordance with the Elasticsearch server capacity. This increases the throughput of data significantly and makes it scale more dynamically to the available server capacity. This means that it will be significantly faster to index millions of objects in the Elasticsearch, enabling a much faster access to faceted search after configuration changes are being made. Let's illustrate the creation of parallel background processes when reindexing the Elasticsearch. Selecting the System Setup tab gives access to the Elasticsearch configuration folder, where we can select the Coxy Elasticsearch configuration. Right-clicking on the configuration, we can select Reindex and Reindex Now. Selecting the Reindex option is picked up by the event processor that starts the parallel background processes. If we go to the event processor, we can see the processes in the process log. Scrolling a bit, the background processes appear. The default batch size is 10,000 events, but this number can be modified. Selecting the link to a background process takes us to that specific process and let us review the details. We can also select the background process tab and look up the Elasticsearch background processes, where we can see the queued processes, where there's currently one process, the active processes, including 2, and the ended processes. In here we can also select an ID for a particular background process to view the details. This concludes the illustration of the parallel processing when reindexing the Elasticsearch.